Hi, we're the WikiTrends team, and today we're going to talk about the motivation behind our project. So Alice, what influenced the idea for this project?
Sure. So after the turnout of the presidential election, we realized how much media can really influence people's decisions, especially when voting or national events. And so what we decided to do was try to tackle this issue. It was interesting how after the election, even like the vice president of Facebook came out saying that we have to try to stop the misuse of news around social media. And so what we did was try to develop this tool where you can see the top trending things occurring around the world in a way that's democratized, that doesn't have any opinions, so you can form your own opinions and not base them on what people around you are think.
So how are you doing that? Do you have some type of data set you're working with?
Sure, yeah. So we found this really interesting Wikipedia data set that tells us the page views of every Wikipedia article per hour. And by using that data, we're able to see what articles spike and which ones are the most viewed in a certain time frame. And so what we do is pull up the top 10 to 15 articles that are occurring per hour, and that is able to give the user an idea of what is being searched around the world.
And then what's the news aspect of it?
Sure. So what we found was that most of the top trending articles right now are news events that are occurring around the world. So the reason why we consider ourselves a news source is because we're educating people on the things that are being most searched around the world.
That's really cool.
Hi, we're here with a demo of WikiTrends. So you can see that on the site we have the top 15 trending articles for today, December 8th. At the top is Jayalalitha, who is an Indian politician who recently died. She was in power for 15 years, so in that part of the world this is a very important topic. However, in our circles this wouldn't have normally come up. The second one is the Google Doodle from yesterday. We also had the attack on Pearl Harbor, which had its anniversary yesterday. And then Westworld was a TV series that recently finished. So you can see that you can click on one of these articles and it'll show you the page views in a chart. So on December 6th, this page spiked to 1.7 million views. In addition, we also have a little description of the page.
So next semester, we want to add some core functionality. We want to add related news articles that came out on that day so that users can understand why pages are spiking and get different perspectives on the event. We also want to add some clustering so that different topics are put together such that when you see 5 different politicians that have the same topic, such as Jayalalitha, with the rest of the Indian politicians, we can put those together. And we also want to add a language feature so that you can see what's trending in other countries around the world and not just in English. And lastly, we'll add a search feature so that users can query for whatever pages they want to look at.